This drink was inspired by our recent trip to Chicago. Yolk serves a delicious strawberry orange juice, and when I got home, I knew that I wanted to recreate it for the hubby because fresh squeezed orange juice is his favorite. It takes a little effort, but the end results are well worth it. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. For 2 large 8-ounce glasses, you'll need 8 organic Valencia oranges and 4 large organic strawberries. Cut the oranges in half and the tops off of the strawberries. Then it's time to get out your juicer, whether it's a hand or an automatic version. The hubby got me this juicer for Christmas and I love it. It's inexpensive and it does a great job. So 7 oranges garnered just about 16 ounces of juice and pulp. And it also got me a few surprised crushed seeds that were hiding, so you'll need to strain those out. I used a 2-cup container and a small strainer. Pour the juice into the strainer and then start mashing the pulp through it until all of the juice has been extracted. You can see that we lost about 4 ounces of volume, so I took 1 orange and made sure to clean out any seeds and juiced 1 more so that the hubby would have his beloved pulp. Now it's time for the strawberries. Add the 4 strawberries to a small mixer and just enough juice to go about 1/3 of the way up. Then blend until smooth. Add the strawberry juice back in with the orange juice, and if you have like a rogue chunk or 2 like I did, just whirl them around again until they're fully blended and you're ready to serve. Fresh strawberry orange juice is a pulp lover's dream, and for those who aren't fans, like me, you can easily strain it and still have the same delicious flavor. Deep red strawberries that are almost bordering on overripe give the most sweetness, and a strawberry garnish tells your honey that they're in for something special. For other recipes, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.